Hello everyone, myself Snehal Kadhane. Welcome to this session on economics of power generation. In this session, we will see how to find out average load, annual energy production, reserve capacity of plant, and number of hours in which plant is not in service. Problem statement is a power plant has following annual factors: load factor 75%, capacity factor 60%, use factor 65%, maximum demand is 60 megawatt, estimate average load, annual energy production, reserve capacity over and above peak load, the hours during which plant is not in service per year. From data, we can state load factor 75%, capacity factor 60%, use factor 65%, and maximum demand is 60 megawatt. Now step by step we will see how to calculate these four parameters. Out of four we will see to find out average load, which is first question to ask to calculate. Load factor is defined as a ratio of average load on a power plant to the maximum demand from consumer side. In numerical, load factor is given 75% and maximum demand is also given 60 megawatt. Simply putting in formula, we can calculate average load is equal to load factor into maximum demand. Therefore, 0.75 into 60, we get 45 megawatt. So, average load is equal to 45 megawatt or 45 into 10 raised to 3 kilowatt. Second question is, to find annual energy production, it is denoted by letter capital E. How we can calculate annual energy production? Annual energy production is nothing but average load into number of hours per year. Just on a previous slide, we have calculated average load by using load factor and maximum demand. We have got 45 megawatt average load. Number of hours per year. In 1 year, there are 365 days, and for each day, there are 24 hours. Therefore, number of hours per year are 24 into 365, that is equal to 8760. Therefore, annual energy production is equal to 45 into 8760, that is equal to 39.42 into 10 raised to 7 kilowatt hour. Third, to find reserve capacity over and above peak load. What is logic concept behind this concept, that is reserve capacity? See, we are asked to calculate reserve capacity of a plant. First of all, what is meaning of reserve capacity? For example, let us consider I am having one box who is having 30 slots where I can put 30 pen. So there are 30 slots and 30 slots can occupy 30 pen. But from supplier, when I get my delivery, that time maximum I receive only 20 pen, because maximum demand at my shop is only for 20 pen. So box is having 30 slot, it can occupy 30 pen, but as maximum demand is always for only 20 pen, that's why most of the time delivery received to me is of either 20 pen or less than 20 pen. So its meaning is slots are 30 but I am receiving only 20. So still there are 10 slots which are vacant. So I can store 10 more pen. So we can store only when our capacity is more than maximum load upon us. Similarly, plant's reserve capacity is equal to rated capacity of plant minus maximum demand. Maximum demand was given in the data 60 megawatt. Now plant capacity, how to calculate it? To calculate capacity of plant, we use formula plant capacity factor. Plant's capacity factor is equal to, it's a ratio of energy generated, actual energy generated, to the maximum energy that could have been generated per day. So plant's capacity factor is equal to capital E upon C into T, where capital E stands for actual energy generated, which just now we have calculated on previous slide. Capital C is plant's capacity, while small t represents total number of hours per year. Plant capacity factor is 60% as per given data. Capital E just we have calculated on previous slide, 39.42 into 10 raised to 7 kilowatt hour. Small t is number of hours in 1 year, that is 8760, and 8760 is nothing but 24 into 365. After putting all values in equation, we get capacity is 75 megawatt. But question was calculate reserve capacity. So that's why reserve capacity is equal to rated capacity minus maximum demand. Therefore 75 minus 16. 15 megawatt is reserve capacity of plant. Next. Next question is find out number of hours in which plant is not in use. What is significance of this? See, in 1 year there are total 8760 hours. These are total hours which are available when we can run a power plant. But in actual case, it doesn't happen that plant is in operation for all 8760 hours. Out of 8760 hours, plant will be in operation for some hours, and there will be some time period when it is not in operation. So our question is calculate number of hours when plant is not in use. How we can calculate it? See, there are total 8760 hours. So now if we can calculate number of hours in which plant was in operation out of this 8760, so we can calculate number of hours when it was not in use. How to calculate number of hours in which plant is in operation? For that we use definition or formula of plant use factor. As per definition, plant use factor is actual energy generated per day divided by capacity of plant into number of hours plant is in operation. In on this slide you can see difference between plant capacity factor and plant use factor. In both the factor numerator is same, capital E, that is actual energy generated per year, but there is difference in denominator. In denominator, for plant capacity factor it is C into T. C is rated capacity. T is total number of hours in 1 year. But if you will observe use factor, in its denominator there is not C into T. Rather it is C T1. So what is T1? So T1 is actual number of our plant is in operation. So here is the main difference between capacity factor and use factor. Plant's capacity is a different thing, and how much plant is being utilized, that is different thing. Small t represents total number of hours in 1 year which are available for us, but T1 represents actual number of hours when plant is in operation. So T minus T1 will give us number of hours in which plant is not in use. See, for example, if I am having 20 hours, but out of 20 hours, if I am working for 19 hours, so small t is 20, T1 is 19. So if I will ask you for how many hours I am not working, so I am having 20 hours, I am working for 19 hours, so its meaning is hours in which I am not working, it will become 1 hour. Hour, not year. I am having 20 hours, I am working for 19 hours, so there is only 1 hour. in which I am not working. So T minus T1. On the same, to find out actual number of hours when plant is in operation, we will use concept of plant use factor, that is capital E upon CP1. Use factor as per data it is 65%. Capital E, that is actual energy generated, 39.42 into 10 raised to 7. We have calculated rated capacity, also we have calculated 75 into 10 raised to 3 into T1. So from this formula we will get T1, that is 8086. So see, in a very last step, that number of hours plant is not in use is equal to small t minus P1. So small t is 8760, that is total number of hours in 1 year, minus 8086, that is actual hours when plant is in a use. So difference of these two value is 673 point hours, and these are hours when plant is not in